Even if we change our branding from TechnoWise to Saveuel, yung mission and vision ng company is still the same. To save people's lives and to change people's lives.
Excited ako na marating ko itong inyong opisina. Masaya ako nakarating ako dito sa tanggapan ng Salveo Barley.
Kahit na parang hopeless na yung lahat, sabi ko, ang sarap ng feeling na may natutulungan kang tao. Parang yun yung naging sign sa akin na sabi ko, hindi, we cannot stop.
Napaka-bless nating lahat dahil kay Salveo nabuo tong isang ganito, dito tayo nagkakakilala. Tsaka syempre, dito na tayo magsasama-sama.
Lord has blessed you with this kind of building kasi sila average, they have a good heart.
Yes.
They have a good heart. Very generous, talagang from the inside out.
Nasyak ako kasi sobrang ganda niya dahil nga taray sa bongga kako.
Kami mismo nagugulat. Nung naging ganun kami lahat, inaccept namin na wala na talaga yung fashion. And then winelcome namin with 100% open arms si Salveo. Everything started to change. Yun nga, 360 degrees. As in, nabago talaga lahat.